Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem on Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve Google Meet error, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Google Meet. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on force stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.